Hello, I wanted to demonstrate my latest purchase. I bought a magnetic stirrer from Amazon Prime. So I'm going to show you what it can do. I bought it for $29 as opposed to $100 or $110 for the actual calligraphy one. So this does just as well. So I just want to show you what it could do. All it does is stir. It comes with one pellet, actually larger than this. I went ahead and bought some more. This is a smaller one. So this will fit in the bottle. You just put it in there like that. You can use them again. Of course, you'll have to take them out with tweezers, but you can use them. So I'm going to put the lid on the bottle very tightly. So give me a second. 1 second. Alright, I just wanted to make sure that the bottle is on, the lid is on properly, because that would be really bad. So I'm going to put this on. I took the label off of the bottle just so you can see. It is Dr. Martin's iridescent copper. Not iridescent, but just copper. So I'm trying to fix this light. I'm sorry. I guess that's okay. I've had it for a while. I haven't used it in a while, but I like Dr. Martin's inks. I have almost all the colors. So you plug it in the back, and I put the pellet already in there, so we're gonna see what it does. It's very quiet. And you can watch videos on YouTube where people have used, clear liquid and put sugar, and then you can see the pellet, move. But I just put it in the copper one because I actually do need this stirred. It's, like I said, relatively quiet. And I don't know how long it would take. They had bigger ones, but I didn't think they would fit in the bottle with the dropper in. So these will be used for my Japanese ink. I can use that. But I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to turn it higher. It's almost kind of exciting in a weird way. I don't know, like I said, how long it takes, but let's see. I can imagine the whole bottle just falling off. I don't want that to happen. You can't really see. Well, maybe you can, but it doesn't look like it's doing a whole lot, but I know it is. So on the reviews it does say, the bottle will move, so you just move it to the middle and it will find itself, or find, the middle part. So it is stirring it. So I guess if you wanted to use it, you would have to stir it for maybe 5 minutes, I guess, if it's this bad. I mean, the whole bottle was pretty... It had sat for a while. But maybe I should leave it alone. You can turn it down if you want. I did the Winsor & Newton. I wonder if it works with both. I did the Winsor & Newton gold one earlier. Of course, the gold has settled down, but there's still a little pellet in there, so I don't know if 2 work on there or not. Let me take that off and put this one back. Yeah, so I guess it takes a little while. It is stirring, but I don't know if maybe it's because of the dropper. That I mean, if I stopped it right now and I tried to use this ink, I would still have to shake it, because the yellow stuff on the top needs to mix in with the copper. I know this is kind of boring. I think it's kind of neat, because otherwise you're just shaking and my hands hurt sometimes. And with the iridescent inks and the Winsor & Newton and some other types of ink, especially the bleed-proof white, you have to shake them every couple minutes almost, it seems like. So I'm going to turn it. I wonder if I turn it down, does it help better? I wonder if I turn it up a lot. Let's see. It's almost up all the way. I don't want to turn it up too high. Anyway, I don't want to bore you too much, so yep, so this is the, I'm guessing INTLLAB Magnetic Stirrer. It did really well with the Winsor & Newton, so I just had to try different things with the other inks. So anyway, thank you for watching.